There's only you and me, and we just disagree.
What's up, Instagram, YouTube, and everybody out there? This is Hudson on Base with Chess Homes Unlimited. So I'm here to give you the update, the latest update on my flip property right here. Unfortunately, this thing went up on the market like right before Corona hit, the Corona virus hit, and we actually got an offer on the house literally 2 days after it was listed. It might have been sooner than that. I think we listed it on Friday, got an offer on the house Sunday. So yeah, about 2 days after. And then they came and did an inspection on the house.
I'm really excited because right in front of my face is a major defect. So right now, personally, like in my head, I feel like I've earned my money because this is a major defect. It's gonna cost probably $500 to fix. So what I wanna do is take a bunch of pictures. I'm gonna take a video of it. The tile is just destroyed. Their gutter needs to be repaired. Exterior of the chimney stack is in poor condition. So I take a lot of pictures. The space between the spindles is large enough for a child to fall through. The condition of the deck is really bad. There's really a lot of rotten wood there. All exterior receptacles, one tooth is a defect, is a defect, is a defect.
There ain't no good guy, there ain't no bad guy. There's only you and me, and we just disagree.
And withdrew the offer. That's how it goes, folks. That's how it works sometimes. I don't know what they found, but I'll give you the insights on why I didn't pursue that offer. They didn't come back and make a counter offer or anything like that. They did the inspection report and then just like canceled the offer immediately. And so apparently there was something on the inspection report that they didn't like, okay? And, you know, I talked about that in some of my other videos. I had to lower the price of the house, you know, significantly lower than what I wanted to get for it because of that inspection report. Well, it happened again. And, you know, one of the things I did was I told my contractor, I said, let's make sure we take care of everything that needs to be taken care of for this inspection. Now, here's the thing, because I didn't know, I've never lived in a house before. I didn't know any of the pre-existing conditions of the house. I didn't know what was going on with it. I cannot be held accountable for anything that pretty much happened or went on with the house, okay? But had I chose to take a look at the inspection report that they gave, I would have been then accountable and had to disclose anything that was on that inspection report about the house. So my realtor asked me, Hudson, do you want to see the inspection report? I told her, no, I'm not interested in seeing it because I didn't want to be accountable for whatever was going on with this house before I got it. I know what renovations we did, what went on with the house when I got it, and that's pretty much it. So that's where we are now. I'm gonna take you guys into the house to take a look at it again. Very clean, very nice, very cleaned up, but you know, now here's the good news. We have actually about 3 more potential candidates coming to see the house. No offers yet, no more offers yet, but coronavirus is literally just taking over everything within, you know, the housing market. Like unemployment rates is just sickening out, you know, through the roof, way beyond anything that we've ever seen in our lifetime. So, you know, that can put a serious damper on the housing market. But nonetheless, let's go in and take a look. We have 3 more viewings, 3 more showings coming up this weekend. And, you know, hopefully, we actually had a showing today while I was here today. Someone came and took a look at the property, and I had to leave because I was getting ready. Let me show you what I was getting ready to do, why I was here in the first place. All right, guys, so I was getting ready to take the drone today. This is the SRCJF something 11. Super, like, this is a professional drone. I bought this drone just so that I could actually do overhead footage of properties that I buy and things like that, get some good overhead shots. As you can see, the drone has a nice little camera on it. The footage on this drone is just amazing, okay? It is incredible. So I bought this drone today just so I could come and get some overhead footage of the property and things like that. So I'm getting ready to do that now. But also I wanted to make sure that it was taken care of. I actually had to also meet my landscaper down here today because he's gonna be cleaning up the yard and things like that. I'll show you that. But he's gonna be cleaning that up today too. But can't wait to show you guys the footage of the drone, the overhead shot of the property. All right, guys, so the grass has been growing up quite a bit in the house, and because of that, you know, you got to make sure that you're keeping up your landscaping. We actually put a cap on the well. This property had a well on it, so we got the cap for it, put that cap there. We didn't take this away. We should have actually taken that away, this stuff right here, but nonetheless, that's a brand new cap. Okay, so we got that done. There is Black Friday right there. We're hanging out today. No Hummer today. We're hanging out with Black Friday today. And I just want to show you guys the rest of the house. We're pretty much done. I mean, it's already done. It's up on the market right now. Here's that little deck that we built on the side of the house. This house is on 1.3 acres, and as you can see, the land, it's beautiful land back there. It's just, but the plants and weeds and vines and all that stuff is just growing out of control. So I've got my landscaper coming over tomorrow to take care of that. I'll try to get some overhead footage of this area back here. There was a shed back there. You guys may remember in the beginning of when I got the house, some of the earlier videos. That shed is gone. All right, nice land back here though. Beautiful land. It's a beautiful day today. On this side, we just planted a little bit of shrubbery over here. We'll cut all of those weeds out of there, get that out. Again, just maintenance now. It's just maintaining, paying the electric bill, paying the water bill, paying the gas bill, and maintaining, you know, while it's listed and waiting to be sold. All right, here we go. Let's go inside, take a look, see how we're looking on the inside. Nice and clean. Beautiful, smells great too. I wish you guys could smell it in here. It smells really nice. And I'll tell you why. It's because we put in some of these plugins right here. We actually had one in like every single room, but our realtor came by one day and she said, Hudson, the smell is just like overwhelming in here. So we had to actually take some of those out. So we took those out, took some of them out, but left maybe one or two of them, I think she said she left in. Let me see. Let's see, she left a few of them in somewhere. This bathroom is done beautifully, staged very nicely. Look at that, very nice staging, very light staging. We don't have to do a whole lot of heavy staging in these properties. So, at this price point, I think we've got this one listed at $164,900. And so, there we go. All right, done. This room is done. Floors look beautiful. Bathroom, this is our utility room, our utility closet. Again, look at some of the earlier videos. You'll see this thing was a mess. This is our hot water heater here with our expansion tank on it. Set up very, very nicely. Our dryer was actually against this wall right here. We actually moved it and have it set up now to be against this wall. There's some of the paints. That's another thing you want to do for your buyers or potential buyers. You want to make sure that you leave the paint colors that you used on the house inside for them. Once they buy the house, they can go right back to Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever you got it from, and, you know, touch up and things like that. All right. We got our alarms. We didn't put them up yet, but they're there. So potential buyers know that those alarms will go in. Windows are all brand new. Windows are all brand new right there. Let's see what else. This thing is looking really good. I'm very proud. New matching appliances. We got Whirlpool refrigerator, microwave, and a Whirlpool stove right here. Okay, all matching appliances. The only thing that was here originally was the dishwasher, and that is, we just reinstalled that, put that back in, so that's working. And new sinks, new countertops. Everything in here is brand spanking new. Cabinets, staged very beautifully, great job. That's new, I put that in. Floors, good. We need to kind of, oh, actually that's just because I just mopped a little bit and cleaned up a little bit. But here we go. Bedroom number one. This is the master. It is done. Cleaned up very nicely. I think there could be one of those air fresheners put in here maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Closet, we cleaned that up, patched it up, cleaned it all up. So, door closes properly. Bathroom is looking beautiful. Now here's something that they did, which was very, very interesting. Close this back up. Very, very interesting. I thought on the listing itself, the agent did not put any pictures of this bathroom in the staging listings, okay? And I thought that was very, very nice, a very nice touch. Look at the staging. Oh, that is beautiful. Great job on the staging. The agent did not put this bathroom in any of the pictures. So it's an element of surprise when the potential buyers come to look at the property. They'll say, man, I didn't see this on the picture. This is nice. Okay, and it is. It's very, very nice. So that's done super nicely. Good job there. So this is bedroom number 1. Once again, bedroom number 1. Let's go over to bedroom number 2. It is completely finished. No frills, no thrills, major thrills, except for it's got a ceiling fan. One of the things I did was put a ceiling fan in each and every room. We fixed this closet. Look at some of the earlier videos. You'll see this closet was terrible, and we actually fixed it. And now it's much, much better, okay? So great job on that, that is done. And let's go to bedroom number 3. Again, no major frills and thrills, it's just a really, really nice bedroom. So here's the bathroom, this is the master bathroom. Turn the light on, there we go. What are you doing? What are you trying to do? Are you going out? You staying in? You going out? Close, look, it's either stay in or go out. What you gonna do? Anyway, it must be a light bulb just ready to go out or something. I don't know what's happening there. Maybe that's an alert. I ain't never seen that before personally. I don't know, I've never seen that before. You know, just very, very minor things. Look at this, just minor things that you need to do when you're staging at this price point. $164 doesn't require a whole lot of staging. You know, look at this. Just towels on the towel rack, okay? Toilet tissue, nice little vase there with flowers in it. Just something real nice on the countertops, just beautiful. All right, folks, so I'm Hudson on Base. This is our house. This is our flip that we're in right now. And again, I cannot wait to, you know, just get another offer on it. Apparently I lost an offer, but that happens. You know, people are gonna retract offers all the time. You gotta be ready for that. It's just have your budget in place, be paying your mortgage, be ready to pay your mortgage. Of course, you don't wanna pay, you know, you wanna pay as minimal mortgages as you have to pay, but at the same time, you gotta be prepared for when things don't go according to plans. And, you know, we're prepared. Chess Homes Realty, Chess Homes Unlimited, we're prepared. So hopefully guys, you enjoyed this video. You're enjoying flipping houses with Hudson on Base. Thank you guys for hanging in there with us, hanging out with us. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button also, because the like button tells YouTube that other people may enjoy this video just like you're enjoying it. All right guys, so we got some great footage with the F11 Pro. I'm gonna be using that drone on all of my properties from now on. I mean, especially on this property because it's 1.3 acres, so it's a pretty big property. Just gotta shut down and lock up. And they're not using my lockbox because they're using a Supra lockbox, so mine's just has no key in it right now. Change that, close this. Let's get closed up here. So as most of you guys know, this is what they call a super lockbox right here, and you gotta be a real estate agent to actually get into these boxes. Once again, I'm Hudson on Base. Stay positive, stay inside, stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys on this and many more videos. I heard a guy the other day that told me, you have a good one. And he said, I'm not talking about a good day, I'm talking about a good life. So I'm gonna start using that from now on, guys. I want you guys to stay safe, stay positive, and have a good life. Talk to you soon. Hudson on Base. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the subscription button. You know the button I'm talking about. Hit that subscription button, hit the like button, also hit the bell for notifications, and I'm out. For real this time. Like, I'm gone this time. Seriously. Peace.